For many, a trip to Hawaii is on your bucket list, and this mistake will absolutely ruin your vacation. Stay tuned. If you ever thought 50 First Dates was a great Hawaiian movie, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Guys, I was born and raised in Hawaii. I've traveled to the four corners of the US and have also been to Asia, Mexico, and Canada. So from a local standpoint and a traveler standpoint, I'm going to be talking about the biggest mistake you can make while on your trip to Hawaii and what you can do to prevent this. I'll even add something at the end of the video which may be just as important. You get off the plane and you're happy to be in Hawaii, and you know what? We're happy to have you here. Check-in time isn't until 3 p.m., but you just need to touch sand before you reach that hotel room. So you drive to any beach. And yes, this happens at any beach. You leave your suitcase with all your belongings in your rental car. Then you go swim for an hour. And when you return to your car, you find this. Your car's window has been shattered, or worse, the car is gone. All your things are gone too. Your suitcase or backpack, which had all your clothes, your nice dinner clothes, even your kids' clothes. Any jewelry, watches, or valuables, maybe your wedding ring or that pendant from your grandma. Any electronics, such as GoPro cameras, maybe a laptop because you're going to try to squeeze in some work. Any documents, such as driver's license, social security cards, yes, people still travel with them, and passports. And lastly, we have cash, credit cards, debit cards, which are being used at this moment at a gas station 10 miles away and are draining your bank account as we speak. And the worst of it all, they may have taken your phone too. That brand new iPhone 43X Pro Max Ultra Delta First Class with all their contacts, all your texts and emails, and all your photos from the last 10 years. The people that do these things are criminals and do not represent Hawaii or its people in any way, shape, or form. This is what we call pilau, which is Hawaiian for rotten or foul. But wait, you can stop it. Here's what to do. Do not leave anything in your car. Do not leave anything on the beach without someone watching it. Yes, they will take from the beach too. Take a picture of your belongings and then leave them in your room safe. Take only what you need to survive. Now, I'm making this video so it doesn't happen to you, but if it does happen, file a police report immediately. Contact VASH, which is the Visitor Aloha Society of Hawaii. They may be able to provide a few resources in the interim, like meal vouchers, toiletries, clothes, and possibly discounted places to stay. After that, you'll have to contact family and friends, just like you would any other place. But you may get a call that your card is being used someplace like a 7-Eleven. Go there. The people will probably be long gone, but check the trash for your ID, any cards that are locked, basically things that have no value to them. It's a long shot, but still a shot. And lastly, the extra mistake I wanted to add at the end of the video is, I forget. I just kidding, Mumu. But all those things I just talked about leaving your stuff in the car when you're at the beach, it applies to hiking as well. Waterfalls, the lighthouse, Stairway to Heaven, which is illegal, the mall, and it even happens in the hotel parking structures. Any place where you'll leave your car for an extended period of time. Just don't do it. Keep your stuff on you or leave it in the safe. And have peace of mind during your stay in Hawaii. And that's it. I hope this never happens to you, but hope is not a strategy. Comment down below on what you think is the biggest mistake. Thanks for watching. Stay in school. Don't do drugs. Don't leave valuables in your car. And subscribe for more Hawaii-related videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.